Oh, really?
Really?
Oh, sorry, I've been like...
A routine night drive turns tense when flashing lights appear in the rearview mirror. A young driver, anxious and unsure, is pulled over for something as simple as headlights. What begins as a minor traffic stop quickly unfolds into a sequence of questions, tests, and careful observations. Every word, every action carries weight. Tonight, we witness how a single decision can create consequences far beyond the road.
Hello.
My name's Officer Dorothy, Athens Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you today is you don't have any headlights or taillights.
Oh, really?
Really?
Oh, sorry, I've been like... My car's old, so Oh, my taillights are out?
You don't have headlights or taillights.
Sorry.
I don't think you have them on.
Well, okay, yeah, it works.
Okay. You have a driver's license and insurance? Where are you coming from tonight?
My apartment, it's on Court Street.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight, Chloe? Nothing at all?
Well, I have, yeah.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not anything.
What?
I have not.
Give me a number.
A beer or two.
Okay. What kind of beer?
Coors Light.
And how long ago?
An hour or two.
Okay.
I'm driving my friends home back to their apartment down the street right there.
Okay. All right, hang tight for me for a second, okay? Chloe, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have you step out real quick to make sure you're okay to be driving, all right?
I'm really nervous right now. I'm sorry. I'm like shaking. Sorry, I'm like shaking right now. This is like my first time being pulled over.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm like shaking right now. This is like my first time being pulled over.
Okay.
Chloe is shaking because it's her first time being pulled over. Nervousness is normal, but officers watch your behavior closely, and it can sometimes influence how the stop unfolds.
Ask you a couple questions here. Are you currently under the care of a doctor or a dentist?
Yes.
Okay, for what? It's like normal checkups, or are you
Yes,
currently seeing one for something?
normal checkups,
Okay.
yes.
Anything ongoing right now?
No.
Okay, are you taking any medication?
I'm on like a high blood pressure medication, but I haven't been taking it recently yet.
Okay. I know you had an incident the other night. Are you currently being seen for any kind of head injuries?
No, I am not.
Not being seen for any
No,
head injuries?
I am not. Yeah.
Okay. Do you wear contacts glasses?
No, I do not.
Do you currently have any blindness in either eye?
No.
All right. What I want you to do is I want you to stand with your feet together just like this, arms straight down to your side, just like this. I want you to stay like that for me. Can you see the tip of my pen? I want you to follow that with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand what I'm asking?
Yes.
Okay, follow that, okay?
Yes.
All right, we're going to do a few more passes. Just keep following it for me, okay? Keep your head still. Follow it with your eyes. Your eyes.
My eyes are watering.
It's okay. Blink if you need to.
Sorry.
And just keep following it for me, okay? Just keep following. Just stay out to the side for me, okay?
Sorry, it's like... I'm just really nervous. I'm sorry, I'm really nervous right now.
It's okay. Do you have any issues with your legs, knees, or back? Anything that would prevent you from... Do you have any issues with your legs, knees, or back? Anything that would prevent you from...
The heel-to-toe test may seem easy, but it's tricky under pressure. Officers watch carefully for missteps, swaying, or loss of balance, which can indicate impairment from alcohol.
Walking in a straight line or standing on one foot?
No.
Okay, you're able to do that?
I do have slippers on.
Okay, we'll give you the opportunity to take them off if you think that'll be easier for you.
I honestly, yeah.
Okay. Well, let's walk over here. We're going to use this driveway. It's a little flatter than where we are here on the street. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to stand right here on my light for me. Come back up a few steps for me. Just stand right there, okay? Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to imagine a straight line running out in front of you, okay? I want you to place your left foot on that imaginary line, place your right foot directly in front of it, touching heel to toe, just like I am, okay? So place your left foot on that imaginary line, place your right foot directly in front of it, touching heel to toe. All right, I want you to go back for me. I'm gonna have you stand in a position, okay? So place your left...
I think my shoes are...
Do you want to take them off? Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, I'm like really, like...
It's okay, we're gonna work through this. You can take them off if you'd like. You roll up your pant legs or anything so you don't trip on them. Okay. So you're gonna place your left foot on that imaginary line, place your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe just like I am. Go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and place your right foot in front of your left foot. Make sure you're touching heel to toe. I want you to stand just like that with your arms down to your side for me. So go ahead and get in that position for me. Left foot on the line, right foot directly in front of it, touching heel to toe. Go ahead and place your right foot in front of your left foot. All right, I want you to stay just like that with your arms down to your side. I want you to stay in that position until I instruct you to begin the test. Do not start until I tell you to do so. Do you understand that? Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this imaginary line. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, go ahead and get back in that position for me. 1, 2, 3. When you get to your 9th step, you leave your front foot on the ground. Take a series of small steps to turn around just like this. You're going to take 9 more heel-to-toe steps back down the line. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. Okay, do you understand what I'm asking of you so far? Okay.
How many steps?
You're going to take 9 steps down that line. You're going to turn the way I showed you and take 9 steps back down the line. You understand what I'm asking of you? Okay. While you're doing this, I want you to watch your feet, count your steps out loud. Keep your arms down to your side, and once you begin the test, do not stop until the test is completed. You understand that? Do you have any questions for me? Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start. This next one, what I want you to do is I want you to stand with your feet, heels and toes together just like me, your arms down at your side. I want you to stay in that position until I instruct you to begin the next test, okay? Do you have any questions on that? All right, when I tell you to, you're gonna raise whichever foot's most comfortable for you, about 6 inches off the ground, just like this. You leave the legs straight, your foot parallel with the ground. You're gonna look down at your toe, you're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003, and continue counting in that manner until I instruct you to stop the test. You understand what I'm asking of you so far? Okay. You need to catch your breath for a moment? Okay. You understand what I'm asking of you so far for the test? Okay. While you're doing this, I want you to watch your raised foot, keep your arms down to your side, count out loud for me, and leave your legs straight, okay? You have any questions? Hold on 1 second for me, okay? All right, whenever you're ready, go ahead and start. You can pick your foot up, continue for me? Okay, you can stop. You want to slide your shoes back on? You want to face that way for me? All right, at this time you are being placed under arrest for operating a vehicle while impaired. You have had too much to drink tonight to be operating a vehicle safely. All right, you want to face that way for me? All right, at this time you are being placed under arrest for operating a vehicle while impaired. You have had too much drink tonight to be operating a vehicle safely.
Chloe is placed under arrest because her blood alcohol content is over the legal limit. Arrests ensure the safety of everyone on the road and follow strict legal procedures for impaired driving.
Justin Oracle. Okay. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney before and during any questioning if you wish. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the courts at no cost. You can choose to exercise these rights at any time, not answer questions. You understand those rights? All right, let's walk up here.
Can I, call my parents?
Yeah, what's going to happen is we're going to go back to my office and do some paperwork. You'll have the chance to go home tonight as long as we get someone to come get you, okay? So, do you have your phone and your wallet in the car, in the truck? Would you like me to get those for you?
Be great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, your vehicle's parked a little far back. Are you okay if I move it up into a legal parking space so I don't have to tow it?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
That would be great.
I'm going to do that, okay?
Thank you.
All right, guys. At this time, Chloe's been placed under arrest for operating a vehicle while impaired. She's had too much to drink tonight to be driving. Is everybody here over 18?
Yes.
Okay. I have no reason to keep you here. If you guys would like to walk home from here, you're more than
our
welcome.
house is right up the street.
All right, please do so. I'm just going to move her truck up into a legal parking space, so I just need her keys. You guys know where her phone and her wallet are?
It might be with her, but it might be in the front. I really
Okay, I'll double check just so she can call somebody is all I need her phone for.
Thank you so much.
So if you guys would
I'm
want to
so
step
sorry.
on out here.
Yeah, I'll look for her phone.
If you guys just want to step front, I'll take a look real quick. If I don't see it, I'll ask you guys for help. But she's just going to have to do some paperwork and she'll get a chance to call somebody. So if you just want to back up here, partner. So are these her keys or your keys?
They should be.
That's hers.
Okay. And this is her purse. Okay. All right, you guys are free to go at this time, okay?
Thank you so much. I'm so sorry.
That's all right. She'll get a chance to call somebody if it's you guys or a parent. I think she'll just call her parents. I'm going to have you go have a seat in the black chair in the corner there for me. I'm going to have you go have a seat in the black chair in the corner there for me.
The breathalyzer measures alcohol levels in 2 tests and records the lower result. This gives the driver the benefit of the doubt and ensures the measurement is fair and accurate.
Okay, just so you're not startled, this machine is going to make a bunch of noise as it tests itself to make sure it's operating correctly, alright? Okay, so what this machine's going to do is it's going to run through some tests here to make sure that it's operating correctly. Once it tells me that it's operating correctly, it's going to have you submit 2 different breath samples to it. It's going to have you blow into it. It'll have us wait 2 minutes and then you'll blow into it a second time. What it's going to do is going to take those 2 different tests. It's going to give you the lower of the 2 tests. So if one test is just over the limit and one test is just under the limit, it's going to give you the benefit of the doubt and give you that lower of the 2 scores. Once that's done, it's going to test itself again to make sure that it's operating correctly, and then it'll give me a printout of what's going on. We'll take a look at that, and I'll let you know what we need to do to move forward tonight. Once we're done with all of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you your phone to call somebody to come pick you up. Okay? As long as you're able to get somebody to come pick you up, you'll go home tonight,
If
all right?
they answer.
Okay. Well, I'll give you as many phone calls as you need to get a hold of somebody.
I appreciate
All right?
that.
I don't see a reason for you to go to jail. You're not fighting with me or anything, so I would prefer to send you home tonight, but we will. All right. I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you take this in your hand. You're going to take a big, deep breath. You can just seal your lips around that little piece. You're going to blow. You have to blow really hard like you're blowing up a balloon, and you have to blow until you're completely out of air, okay? It's going to turn a tone on. You got to keep that tone on as long as you can, all right? So whenever you're ready, go ahead, big, deep breath. Seal your lips around it and blow. Good, strong stream until you're completely out of breath in there, okay? So your blood alcohol content is a 0.198. It's actually 2.5 times the legal limit for. So your blood alcohol content is a 0.198. It's actually 2.5 times the legal limit for.
Chloe's blood alcohol content is 0.198, nearly 2.5 times the adult legal limit and 10 times the limit for minors. This shows how dangerous underage drinking can be behind the wheel.
Someone over the age of 21, it's 10 times the legal limit for someone under the age of 21, okay? I'm going to advise you the notice of suspension is down there at the bottom. You can follow along if you'd like to do so. If you want to hold that, independent of any penalties or sanctions imposed upon you pursuant to any other section of the revised code or municipal ordinance, your driver license or commercial driver license, permit, or non-resident operating privilege is now suspended. The suspension takes effect immediately. The suspension will last at least until your initial appearance on the charge, which will be held within 5 days after the date of this arrest or the issuance of a citation to you. You may appeal the suspension at the initial appearance before the court that hears the charges against you that resulted from the arrest or during a period of time ending 30 days after that initial appearance, okay? Because you have no priors, it is a 1 year or a 90-day suspension, sorry, alright? What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you step into this other room for a minute. You can call somebody to come get you, okay? So I'll take that back from you. You're going to get a copy of everything. I'll make sure you understand that. So go ahead and come this way with me. Go ahead. Have a seat in there. I'll grab your phone real quick.
Sorry.
That's okay. So this is the form that I read to you. This box down here, letter E, says the advice on the back of the form is read to me. You're going to receive a copy of it. Would you like to sign acknowledging that you're not admitting guilt, just saying I read you the form?
Every glance, every step mattered. A simple oversight, lights out, a beer, turned into a critical moment. Arrests, paperwork, and careful instructions marked the night. This encounter shows how responsibility and awareness shape a young driver's path, and how a single decision can echo far beyond the headlights.